Hey guys, welcome back to Brick and Mirror Beauty's video blog. Today we're talking about shampoo and conditioner. Not just any shampoo and conditioner, Olaplex. So unless you lived under a rock and you never watched YouTube or Instagram and don't really watch anything about hair, then you never probably heard of it. However, if you're watching this video, then you probably have heard of Olaplex because you're on a hair channel. So what Olaplex is an additive to your color or to your lightener that keeps your disulfide bonds intact during a chemical service. What the owners of the company did, and the makers of the company, who are a little smarter than me with PhDs and know all kinds of chemistry and stuff, they put those same ingredients into a shampoo and conditioner. So in between chemical services, when you're trying to go from black to blonde, you're able to repair your hair back at home and keep those disulfide bonds intact and actually add more moisture and more nutrients into your hair so it doesn't break down from one visit to the next. So when you're going from a dark-haired girl to a blonde-haired girl, your hair takes a lot of abuse. So this is a great system. Okay, this is the No.4 and the No.5 to keep your hair healthy and happy at home. What we are missing from this little arrangement here is No.3, but we're going to talk about that in a different video. That completes the series. These are two new products from Olaplex that you can get now on brickandmirrorbeauty.com. Use discount code BEAUTIFUL10 to get 10% off your first purchase, and click on the article linked below in the description to read more about Olaplex. So thanks for watching, guys. We are now carrying Olaplex No.4 and No.5 on the site. Hope that gave you a little info on what it's all about. All right, guys, bye.